Okay, happy full moon. I have come to an epiphany about what the rest of this year is about astrologically, so let's get into it. I've made a bunch of shorts about this literally just in the last 10 minutes, but here is a more concise version of what I mean. Timing is everything, and through November into December, we are going to be given the opportunity to make a big choice. This is going to come through many different iterations and repetitions, but we're feeling free. We're feeling like we understand our stance, our philosophy, we understand our outlook. And not only that, but there is a structural opportunity for us to share the wisdom that we have. The trick is that we need to go back into the past and devote ourselves to something that we have already begun. We've spent a lot of time this year choosing the future, and we need to go back to the past now.